Okay guys, I didn't want my cake to be this dark. The reason why, because I wanted you guys to see all the fruits inside, because I didn't want it to look like one of those typical Jamaican Christmas fruit cake. Morning, good morning, good morning. Today is my son's birthday, my big son's birthday, and we are baking him a cake. I hope he likes this cake because it's kind of it's a fruit cake, not a real Jamaican, the usual fruit cake, because this one I'm not blending the fruits, so hopefully he likes it. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to Nettie's amazing house. How are you guys doing? Look at this, lots of fruits, and it's not gonna be blended. Yep, my son is turning into a real man. As a matter of fact, he's turned into a man long time ago. And that girly thing says still young. Yes, I am. He raised me up so I can stand on mountains. He raised me up to more than I can be. I am strong when I am on his shoulder. He raised me up to more than I can be. Thank you, great God, for my beautiful children, and thank you for your continued blessings. Butter, 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 butter. So this is I call it a quick cake. I don't know if you guys would call it a quick cake. Everything I said it's quick, but it is really, as a matter of fact, it's quick and easy if you kind of have an understanding of what you're really doing. So it's almost Christmas, guys. I keep saying that. Yeah, it's almost Christmas. It's almost Christmas. So I'm gonna start by creaming my butter. There it goes. It's almost Christmas. I pray to God Santa is good to you guys too, as I know you'll be good to me. Good to me. I hope you see my son today. Doesn't like the camera too much, but I have a little clip that I videoed him this morning, and I'm gonna squeeze it in. Yeah. My son, come back. My son's birthday. Turn around. Happy birthday, Jermaine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my baby.
Thanks.
So I'm gonna start by creaming my butter. That's 1 pound of butter. I want my butter to be really creamy and fluffy. Now I'll be adding in my sugar. And this is 1.5 cup brown sugar. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, share, comment. And keep the amazing house. did I have it so far away? I don't know. Why was it so far away from me? This is how I do it, eh? Now I'll add my eggs in one at a time, hopefully, while it's slowly beating. One. We'll transfer this. Now, this, see? Nice and creamy and fluffy. That's what I want. Light and fluffy. This is not one of them dense Christmas cake where you see very heavy looking. Like them look like bun. No. This will be nettie's Christmas. Well, yeah, fruit cake. Because Jamaican Christmas cake doesn't have the fruit like that. And I might add some browning, not sure yet. So everything is sieved. I'll tell you the ingredients as I go. So this is, can you see? This is raisin, currant, cranberries, red cherries, green cherries, and a bit of mixed fruit, and maybe a little few pieces of prunes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of this, but and I do not know how much it was. I just put my fruits together, soak it in some rum and wine. You be the judge of how much fruits you want in yours. And it's been soaking for a couple of days, maybe a week or so. And as I mix this, I'll see if I want to add in more fruits, because as I said, this is a fruit cake, not a plain cake. So this is my fruits. I'll add more, lots more. My fruits with my wine, rum. I use all of it. I like past the wine. 2 cups flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, sieved, and now this is half a cup breadcrumbs. I'll add in some vanilla, maybe 2 teaspoons or so, 3. Now we're gonna need lots more wine. This is my breadcrumbs, my flour. One teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon allspice, and some freshly grated nutmegs. Grated lime rind. One and a half teaspoon salt. A little bit of browning, not too much. Half a lime. too dark now. The little breadcrumbs. Don't put all the breadcrumbs. This is my 2 cake that I got. We'll be baking it at 350. After about 15 minutes, I'll lower the temperature to 325. 350 degree. You can see I have a roasting pan in the bottom with some water. I always steam my cake while it's baking. That's my 2 cakes. There they are. So guys, there he is doing the dishes for his mama on his birthday. Say hi, beauty.
Hello.
It's his birthday today, my big boy. Yeah, mama big son. Mama big son. Yep. Cake is in the oven. He's just cleaning up the kitchen for his mama. There it is. Happy birthday, my sweet baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mama love you. Mama love you. See my ignore me? That's how he is.
I'm doing something like.
That's how he is. My sweet baby. My big baby. My big baby. Yeah, it's what they call it, quarantine, self-isolation, but that's okay. We'll do something. Your cake is in the oven. I love you, Jermaine.
Love you too.
I love you too. Hear that? So this is the first cake out the oven. Now I'm going to brush it with some wine. Now I'm gonna soak it with some wine and rum. I don't think I'm gonna cut this cake today. Sorry, Jermaine, I know it's your birthday, but I want this cake to soak with this wine overnight. So this is the first of 2. In my cake when it just come out the oven, so it absorb the liquid. So it's absorbing all the liquid. As soon as the liquid touch it, it goes right in. So this is the second cake. Wet in this bad boy. Okay guys, I didn't want my cake to be this dark. The reason why, because I wanted you guys to see all the fruits inside, because I didn't want it to look like one of those typical Jamaican Christmas fruit cake. I want it to be lighter where you can identify the fruits and see all the fruits inside. But guess what? I put too much browning in I didn't know that the browning was so overpowering. But guess the cake is still so delicious and soft. I think you should try it. If you like to eat or taste your fruits, this is an amazing Christmas cake. Very moist. The fruits just burst in your mouth with the wine. Very, very delicious. So here it is. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see the fruits, but I hope you can see and identify all the fruits. You may not can identify all the fruit, but I hope you can see the fruits. Yep. So this is what left from the cake. From my amazing house to yours. One love. Rum cake, fruit cake, delicious cake.